Hi, this is redpixels studio. My name is Raushan Singh. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to render transparent video in Premiere Pro. So I have something here on my timeline. There is no sound in this motion graphic. Basically, I want to export only this part so that I can use it on other videos as well. Don't worry about this blank area. That is absolutely blank area. See, what I am doing here is placing another video so that you can understand it better. Now I am moving it on top and placing this video just under the top layer. Now you can see it's absolutely transparent. Okay, so let's delete extra layers and select sequence here from the project panel. You can simply right click and choose export media or go to file, export media. Now we have to change few options from export settings. First, you must change format to QuickTime. This is your final preview area. You can check it by dragging this header. All good. With export video and audio both option active, I am jumping on video section. Now changing video codec to animation. Animation is going to give you option to export with alpha channel. I recommend you to render at maximum depth, and just below you can get depth also. By default it's 8 BPC. BPC stands for bits per channel. Change it to 8 BPC plus alpha. That's it. Hit on export. It will gives you a video that you can use in any other videos. So that's it from this video tutorial. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for connecting with us.